Indian National Congress have launched a nationwide program of Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan. Through this Abhiyan, we are going to elect new district president uh, and and also identifying new leadership from that district. Already, the All India Congress Committee has completed this process in 14 states. Recently, the program was launched for Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, and Goa. And now I am here as an All India Congress Committee observer for Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan. I'm going to stay here for next 7 days. I will go to all blocks. I will meet all Congress as well as the people from the civil societies, and we will take their opinion. And on their opinion, I will give my brief proposal to the All India Congress Committee, and after that, the Congress Committee will announce the name of president. The other intention of the party is to make the district president more accountable for party as well as the citizens of that district. In coming days, the district Congress president will be the main person of the Congress in that district, and he will be the part of the decision making process, whether these decisions are related to the legislative assemblies or local body elections or the other activities of the party. He is the main person who will conduct all these process, and I am here to conduct a free and fair process for the selection of the district Congress Committee president. And our object is a key goal is to strengthen Congress committee by reforming the ways of DCC president and independent appointment, empowered and held accountable. So I have started my functioning here, and it will be completed within a week, and I will submit my proposal to the Congress leadership, and then after the Congress leadership will take a decision.